What's up, everybody? Review Man here, and today we're actually cooking in the kitchen, or I'm cooking. We're cooking Fruity Pebble Pancakes. Now, I got this idea because a guy I work with, he vapes, and his vape smelled like Fruity Pebbles and pancakes, and so that's when we came up with the idea for Fruity Pebble Pancakes. I'm not going to guarantee this is going to be good, but I think they're going to be alright. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we need a pancake mix, 2 eggs, a cup of milk, and whatever else we need to do with them. So, and if you're going to cook, all you kids out there, make sure you have an adult with you. And don't make a mess. So, without further ado, let's get started. What I need to do, mix it all together? Need to mix it all together?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the pancake mix. Original biscuit pancake mix. I'm not gonna, like I said,
You need 2 of these.
you need 2 cups of the pancake mix. Like I said, I'm not gonna guarantee these are gonna be good, but they might be edible. They might be edible. So and clean up as you go. It'll help. It'll help you later on. It'll help you later on down the road. That's gonna be one of my first cooking videos, so I'm gonna walk you through everything, and we're gonna see how everything goes. Now, I'm not exactly sure when to add the Fruity Pebbles. Do you? I guess after you mix the batter and before you start cooking them. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our we already got our pancake mix. So we're gonna do that. We add the milk, and next we're going to add the eggs. And you don't want the eggs you don't want the eggs to the shells to get in the eggs. I mean the shells to get in the mix. I guess we'll mix it now. I have no idea when to add the Fruity Pebbles. Do you? Huh? And you're gonna want to mix the batter. Mix it in there. Get it all nice and fluffy.
Mix it.
I'm mixing. And you're gonna want to get all the you want to get a whisk.
Pour it.
Okay, now we're going to add the Fruity Pebbles.
What's that hole?
Fruity Pebbles. Add a little more in there.
Add them on.
Okay. We got the Fruity Pebbles. Now we're going to bring the camera in. Can you follow the camera, guy? Alright.
Okay.
And now what we're going to, like I said, I don't know if these are going to be good or not.
Okay.
Alright. Now we're going to pour them on the skillet. I want that sizzle, if you hear a sizzle. And that looks like somebody threw up. Alright, now I'm going to clean everything up. While the pancakes are cooking, you're gonna wanna okay, now I guess we should get a spatula.
Not yet.
Okay. Now, if you're a friend of pancakes and Fruity Pebbles, this might be good, but the other day I had this idea, or he had this idea, and yeah.
That's good.
And you're going to want to use like a skillet or a frying pan, and if you got my non-stick, use some cooking spray. It'll help from non-sticking, I guess. I'm not a chefper. And let's see. And you want to get your, for all you cooks out there, you want to get your mise en place. That means have everything together so you can start cooking. So yeah, anyway, now we just wait to flip. You want one? You want one?
I want to try it.
We're gonna try it. So this is like a cooking review vlog, whatever you want to call it. And it's gonna be the Fruity Pebble Pancakes, and the kitchen with the review man.
Alright, guys. Review man, they sure is these men.
Talking about cookies, I guess. Go ahead and flip them. These might be alright.
Yeah.
We're gonna give them a try. That's the side of the pancake that's cooked. We're gonna get in there. Let's do a shot. Fruity Pebble Pancakes. These might be good. These might be pretty terrible. We're about to find out here in a minute. And if you're gonna make one or two pancakes, you might not want a big batch, but there's something that always goes good with pancakes. If we have it, yes we do. Syrup. Some syrup.
Alright, review man.
Alright, there's the final product. I'm gonna set this camera down a second and put some syrup on there, and we're gonna try some Fruity Pebble Pancakes. So get your syrup. Get your syrup. Get your a fork. Get your syrup and your fork, and we're gonna take a little bite. bad. Not good either. It does have that mixture of fruit and pancakes. Oh, I was worried about fruit pebbles in there. But
Cody, you working today?
shut up. But yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, like thank you, Cody. His YouTube channel is Two Wheeled Hooligan. He does motor vlogs and stuff like that. Go check him out. And so yeah, anyway, go check him out. He does like motor vlogs, and he just got a video. He just posted up a video the other day. But anyway, go check him out, and thank you for the idea for Fruity Pebble Pancakes. And if you got Fruity Pebbles and some pancake mix, go give them a try. It takes about 10 or 11 minutes to cook and mix together and everything. But yeah, go give them a try. Go try them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good YouTube stuff, and have a good one.